up, you guys, and welcome back to another cooking video with me. And today I'm making this cake, as you can see. So let's get started. Now that we have our pancake mix, we're gonna pour that right into this bowl. I've been delayed with my videos because I have no Wi-Fi and cable does not want to fix it. Freaking hate cable. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the mix. If I can get it open. We're gonna take that mix and pour it into that bowl. Yes, girl, pour that into that bowl. Let's see if you can get a clear view. Pour it into the camera. Like that. So we're gonna pour it into there. All that. I don't measure anything, I just do because I know what I'm doing. But if you want the measurements, I'll put it down below. So now we're done with that. We're going to take 1 cup of water, which is right here. We're going to pour that in. So our mix. Next we're gonna add 1/3 cup of butter. That's one. That's two. And that's 3. This is 1/3 of butter. And now we're gonna crack our 3 eggs. And pop that right on in there. And we're gonna mix that. I'm moving fast because I don't cook slow. We're going to take our spoon and we're going to mix this up. You see, I'm mixing the cake. Our cake is in the oven. We're going to slide that in there. And our oven is set to 350. And now we're just going to wait until it's done. Well, our cake is done. You want to see what it looks like? That's 1. And that's 2. They both look good. Ow! Your girl get her thing on a cake. And it's still soft or whatever. And we're going to let that, we're going to let that cool off. Then we're going to come back. And, we're gonna come back and ice that. So we're gonna let it cool. And that's what it looks like. That they look so good. Your girl did dang. Your girl did so good on her cake. Morning, as you can tell, it is the next day, y'all. And as you can see, I didn't close out yesterday's video. So today I'm closing out yesterday's video. And I hope you guys liked that cooking video. I had so much fun doing it. And I hope you enjoyed it as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Itsjustashaanti. I love you guys so much. See you in the next video.